Black holes are the strongest things in the universe. So strong that nothing, not even light or matter, can escape their grasp. So, what's going to stop them from destroying anything in the universe? Actually, there isn't. There's nothing in the universe that can escape once inside of a black hole. So, how do these black holes form? Well, in order for a stellar mass black hole to form, a star having at least a mass of 2.8 times the Sun dies. The energy holding the star together disappears, and its core collapses, producing a supernova explosion. All leftover material, many times the mass of the Sun, falls into an infinitely small point the size of a pin called the singularity. Now, what would happen if, say, you were about to fall into a black hole? Well, the gravity of black holes are intense, but only when you're very close to them, so you could orbit them as long as you remain a good distance away. But what happens if you get closer? Well, you would feel a stronger and stronger pull up until you reach the event horizon. The event horizon is the region surrounding the black hole where the escape velocity is equal to the speed of light. Also, another weird thing that would happen when you are approaching the black hole is something called, and I'm not joking, spaghettification. Say you were falling into a stellar mass black hole feet first. As you approach the event horizon, due to the rapid increase of escape velocity, your feet would be pulled millions of times more than your head, being stretched out kilometers in length, but only the width of a hair. But I guess it wouldn't feel too bad, as it would happen in less than a millisecond, and you would then leave existence forever.